Today, we're diving into a hot topic: how to make money with hacking through bug bounty programs. If you've got a knack for cybersecurity and a curious mind, stick around. So, what exactly is a bug bounty? Companies like Google, Facebook, and many others offer rewards to ethical hackers who find and report security vulnerabilities in their systems. This is a win-win. Companies enhance their security, and you can earn cash. Getting started is easier than you think. Here's a quick guide. First, familiarize yourself with web technologies, networking, and common vulnerabilities like SQL injection and cross-site scripting. Next, download some essential tools like Burp Suite, OWASP app, and Nmap if you are using Windows OS, but they all come pre-installed in Kali Linux. These will help you test for vulnerabilities effectively. Sign up on platforms like HackerOne, BugCrowd, or Synack. These sites connect you with companies looking for security help. Once you're signed up, you can start hunting for bugs. Focus on programs that interest you, and always read the scope carefully. Only test where you're allowed. When you find a vulnerability, document it thoroughly. Include steps to reproduce the issue, impact assessment, and suggested fixes. This professionalism can significantly increase your chances of getting paid. Here are some quick tips for success. Always follow the rules set by the company. Cybersecurity is always evolving, so continuous education is key. Engage with other hackers through forums and social media to share knowledge and tips. We will be starting our bug bounty series on this channel, starting with Recon, how to find bugs and chain attacks, and how to submit your report, so subscribe to Cybertech-Arena to get a first-hand tutorial with live teaching. So, if you're ready to turn your hacking skills into cash, start exploring bug bounties today. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments. Until next time, happy hacking!